A recent survey indicated that nearly 30% of American parents are seriously considering homeschooling their children rather than sending them to school. Homeschooling is a different way of education for many parents. It allows children to be educated at home, free from the daily school assignments and pressure. It also allows more bonding time between the child and the parent, fostering closer relationships. There are 4 main reasons why you should homeschool your child. 1. Academic results. One of the reasons parents are hesitant to adopt homeschooling is because they are afraid their child's academic results will suffer. However, studies have shown that children who are homeschooling have the same and if not better academic results than those going to traditional schools. Some of the world's most famous people were homeschooled. Examples include Benjamin Franklin, Florence Nightingale, Winston Churchill and Thomas Edison. Their achievements do not compare less than those who went to school. Homeschooling allows the parent to cater the study schedule according to the needs of the child. In school, since a teacher has to teach 40 to 50 students at a time, it is quite impossible to cater a specific teaching schedule for each child. 2. Social reasons. Another important reason why you should homeschool your child is because traditional school does not deal with this aspect of education. Teaching your child to be comfortable in dealing with people. By introducing your child to church programs and other volunteering programs to help others, it educates the child's moral values, which are just as important as academic results. Homeschooling also shields the child from bad habits due to peer influence. Examples are smoking, alcoholism, gambling, sex, drugs and violence. 3. Family bonding. Since homeschooling allows more time between your child and parents, the family relationship is strengthened and there is more family bonding. The child's self-confidence and self-esteem improves. Studies have also shown that homeschooled children value family ties and kinship more. 4. Religious reasons. Schools have always kept away from religious issues due to its sensitive nature in our country. The schools typically have a neutral stance regarding religion and spirituality. Therefore, most schools do not have any kind of religious education. Homeschooling does not have that limitation. Parents can pass on their religious values to their children. This has a great impact on the spiritual development of the child. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. For a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling courses with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.